Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chesouye, of course, and today we're going to be setting up our Christmas. Guys, I'm wake up and been a clean. I have Zai with me. Zai's my little helper today, so we'll put the what's this called, the thing on the door, and now we're going to be setting up. We're going to be putting the Christmas tree in our living room this year. Last year we did on our veranda, but we're going to be putting it in the living room today. So you guys are gonna set the Christmas tree with me and Zai. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all my socials at Chesouye. And yeah, let's get right into it. We have so far, yeah, and we're just gonna, you know, go through the process.
Yeah,
it's a little tree.
I want a big tree. I want it to be bigger and go up to the sky, yeah?
Maybe next year.
Oh, it's tangled. Oh,
so guys, right now I was helping Zai, but this is the tree. This is so cute. And then this ornament we got last year. So she's just gonna be putting on, put this right here. She's gonna be putting on the ornaments, and we're gonna guys, from the title, we're doing a weekly vlog. It's Christmas week. We have a lot of excitement to go on. We're doing Christmas dinner, but tonight me, mommy, Zai, right, I got unbox all the stuff for baby brother that you guys have not yet met, but we're gonna meet him in this vlog, of course. So we're gonna be unboxing baby Z's stuff, baby Z, baby Z. Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing all this stuff. They just came like fresh off the wharf, and mommy excited. Mommy said she ready to unbox the things them. But guys, make sure to subscribe. Make sure not to eat me dinner. Zai excited to apparently drop your mask. Zai is sick, guys, so we'll put her in our mask. We have to get this under control. Yeah. So I'm gonna be unboxing baby these things. Of course, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials at Chesouye. Guys, we decorated. It's literally so cute. Like, my house is so cute. Like, yeah. So, mommy is gonna mommy's gonna do the honors of showing you guys all the things that she got for the baby. Of course, baby has been here for over 2.5 weeks, because in 3 days or 2 days he's gonna be 3 weeks old, and his stuff is just coming. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, we're just waiting on mommy right now, and then right in. Okay.
So
Me and mommy are twin.
Guys, it's Friday and we're going to the supermarket. Zuri excluded. Zuri's not coming.
But we have a new toy for their way.
Zuri, where? So, hold on, guys. Hold on. Say hi.
Hello, guys. It's me. Me and mommy's twins.
Zuri just wake up and he's looking something for his mouth, as usual.
How yes, sexy.
Yeah, guys. So we're gonna go to the supermarket, and you guys are gonna come along. It's Friday. I just left work, and mommy's getting dressed.
I'm already dressed. It's me. I think it's so cute and so little. I just want him to play with us.
I'm gonna go feel soon.
Perfume. This is eel perfume. I love eel perfume. I don't know.
Where's Zappa?
Alright guys, we finally made it in the car. It's currently 3:04 p.m. as I sit down. And we're on our journey now. Go to the supermarket and come back. Let's see how long it's gonna take because it's the Friday before Christmas. So yeah. Alright guys, so
I want to buy this, guys.
no, I will not eat that.
Oh, okay. I'm here and walk. Show them that the Santa Claus.
Guys, I'm looking for
Guys,
heavy cream. Hold on. I want the cooking cream and heavy cream are the same.
Need the guys see the Santa Claus, the big one, the present. You know, see Santa Claus?
I that?
Cooking cream.
Need the guys see the Santa Claus?
See more country crack butter.
Punchy munchy. Punchy butter.
Wait, 220 a pound.
Give me the camera. I'm gonna show them Santa
Damn, no,
Claus.
you drop the camera.
Guys, you see the Santa Claus?
And you can't just video like that because you can't video people.
It was a seat. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, today is Sunday, but yesterday was Saturday. It was the only day that I did not vlog because I was getting my nails so cute and my hair done. So today, guys, I feel funny. I don't know. I've been cooking all day, so I'm kind of crazy. So I'm just gonna get a shower and all of that and then come back. We're also gonna be taking, I'm gonna show you my big brother. It's gonna be a reveal because yeah, I know you saw him in a few clips before, but yeah, him gonna look good in this because his hair is so cute, like yeah guys. But Also, because I was in my room, so if you see it look messy, not my fault. Like, I'm gonna be right back, guys. Like, right back. Hi guys, so today was Monday and of course it was Christmas Day. I spent it very chill. Like, I just took a shower. And I'm winding down. Like, my room is, you know, clean. I cleaned today. And honestly, this weekend or this weekly vlog thing was so just chill, and we didn't really do much, and even if I did much, I didn't really think to take up the camera. I was with my boyfriend, or he was with me all weekend, and we actually had such a good weekend. Tomorrow's the last day of the holiday, and honestly I've been working so much, it's only right that I just rest. So even now, like, mommy and them went to Emancipation Park and New Kingston to just let Zai see. Even on New Kingston, you know, the business, they always set up the lights and picture areas, so that's what Zai has gone to do. But for me, I just wanted to stay back and just, you know, wind down, and I just took a nice long shower, and I'm waiting for my boyfriend to get back because he went to spend the afternoon with his boys. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna get dressed and stuff, and I don't know, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, you know. Yeah. Okay guys, so honestly I never got to come back at all, and like you guys know how life be lifing. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Currently I'm at work, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. Like, you guys love me and I love you right back. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe. If you haven't, just go ahead and click subscribe. It's free. Click the like button because this helps the channel. Comment if you can. Just if I want to comment, just let me know if you like the video. Let me know what you would do change. Just say Merry Christmas. Tell me if the baby cute. Tell me if you want a name reveal. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see. Just comment down below, guys. It really helps the channel. Make sure you follow me on all socials at seasandncurls, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you on my channel. I love all 2,000 of you very much. Thank you for your years of support, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.